2022 GMC Acadia. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.